Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today I'm going to talk about Shopify Sidekick and the top tasks it can handle for your store. If you've seen Shopify or Sidekick inside of your Shopify dashboard and wondered what it actually does or how it can help you save time, this video is for you. You're not alone. By the end, you'll clearly understand how Shopify Sidekick works and how you can use it as a daily assistant to manage and grow your store more efficiently. Before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build and grow your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial, plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now, let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what Shopify Sidekick is. It is an AI powered assistant built directly into Shopify. It's designed to help store owners manage tasks, understand data, and make better decisions without needing technical knowledge. Instead of clicking through menus or searching for answers, you can simply ask Sidekick questions or give it instructions, and it helps you get things done faster. Think of Sidekick as a smart helper that understands your store, your products, and your data. It does not replace you, but it removes a lot of manual work and confusion. Now let's go through the top tasks that Shopify Sidekick can do for your store. Number one, answer questions about your store data. One of the most useful things that Shopify Sidekick can do is explain your store data in simple language. Many store owners feel overwhelmed when they look at analytics, reports, and numbers. Sidekick helps break things down clearly. You can ask questions like how your sales are performing, which products are selling the most, or how your store did compared to last month. Instead of digging through reports, Sidekick gives you direct answers and insights. This saves time and helps you make decisions faster and is especially helpful for beginners who are not familiar with e-commerce analytics but still want to understand how their store is doing. Number two, help you manage products faster. Once you understand your data, the next focus is usually products, and Sidekick helps make product management faster and more organized. For example, it can help you write product descriptions, suggest improvements, or summarize key product details. If you're adding new products and feel stuck on wording, Sidekick can give you a starting point that you can later adjust to match your brand voice. Sidekick can also help you understand product performance. You can ask which products are getting views but not sales, or which items are low in stock. This makes product management more efficient and less stressful. For stores with many products, this feature alone can save hours of work. Number three, support with marketing and content ideas. Now, after your products are ready, marketing becomes the next challenge. It's one of the hardest parts of running a Shopify store. Sidekick helps by suggesting ideas and explaining options in a simple way. You can ask Shopify Sidekick for ideas for promotions, sales campaigns, or email topics. It can also help explain how certain marketing tools inside of Shopify work, such as discounts or basic email campaigns. While Sidekick does not replace full marketing platforms, it helps you get started and understand what steps to take next. This is very useful for store owners who do not have a marketing background. Number four, explain features and settings inside of Shopify. Shopify has many features, and it's easy to feel lost, especially when you're new. Sidekick works like a guide inside the platform. You can ask questions about settings, payments, shipping options, or store configuration. Instead of searching through help articles, Sidekick explains things in a simple language and points you in the right direction. This reduces confusion and helps you use Shopify more confidently without fear of breaking something. Number five, assist with store setup and optimization. Now, beyond daily questions, Sidekick also helps you through store setup and improvement. It can help you during the setup stage and even after your store is live. It can guide you on what steps to complete next, what settings to review, and where improvements might be needed. For example, Sidekick can remind you about missing setup steps, suggest improvements for your store structure, or explain best practices for store optimization. This is helpful for both beginners and growing stores that want to improve performance. Number six, save time on daily tasks. So look, as your store grows, daily tasks start taking more time than expected. That's natural. Many Shopify store tasks are repetitive, checking sales, reviewing orders, monitoring products, or understanding reports that can take up a lot of time. Shopify Sidekick helps reduce this workload by giving quick answers and summaries. Instead of clicking through different sections of the dashboard, you can ask Shopify directly. This allows you to focus more on growth activities like marketing, product sourcing, and customer experience. Time saving is one of the biggest benefits of using Shopify Sidekick regularly. Number seven, help with decision making. Shopify Sidekick is also useful for making decisions. While it does not make decisions for you, it provides information and context to help you choose wisely. For example, if you're thinking about running a discount, changing prices or focusing on certain products. Sidekick can help you understand past performance and trends. This helps reduce guesswork and makes your decisions more data driven. This is especially helpful for store owners who are still learning how to analyze their business. Number 8, improve confidence for new store owners. Another important benefit is confidence. Many new store owners feel unsure about what to do next or whether they're using Shopify correctly. Sidekick is always available to answer questions without pressure. You can ask anything and get guidance without feeling stuck or embarrassed. This confidence helps store owners keep moving forward instead of giving up when things feel confusing. Number 9, work alongside apps and tools. Plus, Shopify Sidekick works best when used alongside with other Shopify tools and apps. It does not replace apps, but helps you understand how to use them better. If you install an app and do not understand how it fits into your workflow, Sidekick can explain its purpose or suggest how it might be used. This makes your overall Shopify experience smoother. Number 10, grow your store over time. Finally, Shopify Sidekick grows with your business. In the beginning, it helps with setup and learning. Later, it becomes more useful for tracking performance and maybe supporting decisions. No matter what stage your store is in, Sidekick adapts to how you use Shopify. This makes it useful long term, not just at the start. Things to keep in mind. While Shopify Sidekick is powerful, it's important to understand its limits. It does not replace professional marketing tools, custom developers, or deep strategy planning. It is meant to assist, not run your business for you. You should always review suggestions and adjust them to match your brand and goals. Listen, my final thoughts are this. Shopify Sidekick is a helpful AI assistant that can save time, reduce confusion, and improve how you manage your store. From answering questions and explaining data to helping with products and marketing ideas, it supports many daily tasks that store owners deal with. My recommendation is to use Sidekick, but as a daily helper, especially if you're new to Shopify or you're managing your store alone. Over time, you will find that it helps you work faster and with more confidence. And if you want to start or grow your store in Shopify, click that link below. You'll get the 3-day free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my complete Shopify course to help you build and manage your store properly. All right, that's it for this video. If you even found it a little bit helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.